going on, ladies and gents, and welcome back. Okay guys, I'm on the blacktop. Just returned from Melbourne, had some business to attend to down there. Don't usually take the 80 down into town, so I just came, well, back from a trip, and we're heading home, and I'm heading back into the bush. It's a pristine day, calls for a pristine camping spot. So let's hope we don't encounter too many people. It being a Saturday morning at the moment, we'll see how we go. So kick back, enjoy the Bush TV. Let's go. Tell you what, ladies and gents, it's best to take it easy along these type of roads. I nearly got taken out by a female driver in a Hilux coming the other way. Luckily for me, I wasn't going too quick, and it was on a corner, and I was hugged to the left on a right-hand bend, and she went round me. Followed by that, guys, it's been someone's unlucky day. I just seen a tray truck go past me with a rig on the back that looked pretty broken. So it's claimed someone up here today. So take your time, take it easy, get to your destination nice and safely. Alright guys, so I've just come off the blacktop, and I am going to air it down to about 25, I'd say, this time of year, late August. We've had a lot of weather events, a lot of rain, and there has been snow up there, so generally this road has a lot of potholes. So by dropping the pressure, we're not going to froth up the froths too much. Alright, so we're ready to go guys. So drop a comment, let me know what you guys run pressures. So dirt road, dry conditions, potholes, corrugations, what are you running? And if it gets a bit sloppy in the wet, what are you running there? Dropping down to 18. Tell you what guys, I've got this thermometer here, right? It's 28 degrees in the car. Wouldn't think so. Out there, it's a beautiful day, but let's get higher up and see what the temperature is then. Let's go. Should have been recording then, ladies and gents. 3-4 vehicles come hauling down the road, yeah? I'll tell you what guys, you need to slow down a little bit guys. There is other vehicles coming up the track. This is beautiful. Okay ladies and gents, so this spot is a little bit exposed for my liking, so you'd have to pick the right day, and at late we've had some pretty bad days up here, so we'll see what happens tonight. Like, I'm not going to camp right here in this spot. I'm just going to camp just over there in the snow gums. Just a little bit windbreak over there guys, so but this is going to be spectacular. We're going to get a good sunrise hopefully from way over there. The sunset is behind me, so we won't be bothered with that tonight. I won't time lapse that. If I'm up early enough, I will get the sunrise, but I probably won't be. But anyway, just check it out. I'm going to go get some firewood guys. There's a little bit of wood here. We'll get a good fire going. We'll cook up some bush tucker and we'll kick back to that. And hopefully the stars are good tonight. Hopefully the weather doesn't come in. So if it does, it does. We're in for a bit of a cold night anyway, I know it. So sit back and relax guys. enjoy the bush TV. Let's go. This is beautiful. So I left my shovel at home, ladies and gentlemen. So usually I dig a hole and all that sort of stuff, but shovel's at home. The ground's real wet under the feet, so there's not much of a threat. In the morning or tonight, I'll make sure the fire's safe before we hit the swag, and tomorrow before we leave the camp, no doubt we'll put it out with water. Well, ladies and gents, I was going to do a T-bone steak with some potatoes and veggies tonight. I still got it in the fridge, so that's going to be tomorrow night now. Here, a helicopter in the background, guys. It went over before, now it's coming back. I wonder where it went to. So you guessed it, ladies and gentlemen, I've got spag bol tonight. She's ready to go. We'll fill up the billy and the pot and we're off. Look where the helicopter's going, guys. Flew over about an hour ago. And it's headed back. Not a bad meal for the bush, eh? Like I said, I would have rathered the T-bone. Geez, there's a lot of spag bol in there, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be pretty good, though. It's pretty cold up here, guys. Probably about 7 degrees or 6 degrees. The fog's come in, so the whole place is like a cloud at the moment. Actually looks pretty cool. Oh, ladies and gents, just had to lower the awning a bit, and that's why that's all crinkled up. It looks a bit shit, but it's still doing the job. It does look half-assed, but it's not really half-assed. It's just these Velcros on this awning here, they're worn away, so I can't tie them back. That's why I've got a strap on it. So I need new Velcros on this awning. Now we're sitting at about, I reckon, 1400 metres. And the rain's coming in. We're still pretty dry here, so I'm surprised it's not snowing. It's about 4 degrees now, so it's still not quite cold enough to snow, but yeah, so we'll see what happens. Fire's going good over there, so yeah, that should stay in. Hopefully. She's pretty chilly, and hopefully it should clear up. Morning, ladies and gents. This is the second day. It's raining now. It's been a pretty windy night, so I just packed up. I'm going to head out of here. We're going to head down Billy Goat's Bluff. So yeah, I just got some time lapse of the sunset there. It was beautiful this morning. Okay, so we're going to head off. It's quite wet. Head down Billy Goat's. I'm sure it's only a shower, but can't be risking it. I just beat the rain, so that was pretty lucky. Someone's got a bit of wood there. So let's go, Billy Goat's Bluff in the rain. Oh, Billy Goat's in the wet, guys. I probably won't be videoing much of it because it's a bit wet. This is where I need a camera crew, right? Unfortunately for us smaller content creators, we don't have that. Well, isn't that just something, ladies and gents? I love that track. I'll tell you what, I'll put the full video from the in-car on the channel. No interruptions. It's okay, so the camera inside the car, nothing cut out. We did the whole track. It's just amazing. Every time I come here, the track changes so many times, like throughout the year. Look at the weather now, it's beautiful. We come through the clouds, and down here, over there, we got Eagle Vale. Heading out towards Dargo that way. Got to grab a coffee from somewhere, because I'll tell you what, I don't function without a coffee, and I haven't had one yet. So that's just a fun track. I'd love to go back up it, honest, I would. But not today, but we will do another video, and we will go up it. I probably need someone with me on that one, because I want to film some of the good stuff. So someone will have to come with me, get out, and do all the hard work while I sit there and drive up the track. That's all good. And saying that, ladies and gentlemen, that brings this to an end. I hope you sat back and enjoyed the content. Like I said, I'll throw the full video of the downhill on the channel, so stay tuned if you want to see all that. I think it takes about 20 minutes or something like that for the full video. Again, guys, your support is much appreciated. We're trying to grow this channel as much as we can. We don't get paid for this stuff, right? Some people think you get paid on YouTube. We don't get paid. I don't get paid anything. So, but look, I love what I do. I love the bush. I love the high country. I love camping, and I love solo camping too. So it's a bonus to record it and show you guys. So your support is greatly appreciated, ladies and gentlemen. Stay safe and stay tuned for the next one. See you there from the Bush TV. I reckon, guys, this is one of the most notorious river crossings around this area. That's the exit right there. If you're coming down, if you're driving in, you got the entry right there, upstream, up near that fence post just over there, or just before it, is the exit. And this is a goer. There's no way you'd be crossing that right now. Let me know if anyone's crossed it lately. Let me know if you've drowned your vehicle in it. There's a bridge there for a reason, and that's what we're taking today, the bridge. Just check out this country. How good is it? She's going pretty quick, guys, and she's deep. And that's the road to Tarbotville right there. Have to go into that place. One of these days we'll do another trip into here and we'll hit Wanangata in the not too distant future. Pays to take it easy, ladies and gents. You don't know what's around the corner.